So, ayan. So, I made this hairstyle using IONIC STYLER PRO. And I'm very satisfied with the result kasi I just want this simple and natural looking hair. And hi everyone! My name is Erika and welcome to my channel! In today's video, I'm gonna be using this IONIC STYLER PRO. I bought this for 1,399 pesos and I already used this for more than a year. And this is how it looks like. So, as you can see, it is already like this because it's more than a year. It has this. I want to show you how it works. So first, if you want to lock it, you will see this black. Ayan, so you just push it up. Push nyo lang siya upward. Ayan, so lock na siya. Tapos, if you wanna open it, yan, na-unlock na siya. So, if you notice, ganyan na yung kulay niya kasi it's more than a year na ginagamit ko siya to straighten my hair or to curl my hair or to make my hair wavy. And, so, another black here. This is a button for high and low heat. We're gonna push it upward. So it is for high heat and low heat. Yeah, so it has H and L letter. So there. And then the lowest part, of course, is the off. Yeah, and then of course, meron siyang light dyan. So once you plug it in, so there, I plug it in. And, of course, i-unlock ko siya. Ayan, naka-unlock siya. Pag pinush mo upward, kasi ay naka-lock. Downward is unlock. So, ayan. Unlock na siya. And then, ayan. So, meron ba kayo nakikitang ilaw? Meron siyang ilaw, actually. Ayun. Mahina lang siya. Ayan. So, I'm gonna straighten or make my hair wavy using this. What I like about this is it has this bristles, so you don't need your comb. Hindi mo na kailangan ng supply kasi eto na yung magsusuklay sa hair mo. Kapag ka ini-straight mo siya, yan. Diba? Tapos, pang straight na siya, pang curl pa siya. Yan. So, while waiting, dun sa heat na gusto natin, pwede pa natin siya ipang suklay, tapos hindi tayo maiinitan. Yan, hindi tayo maiinitan. Hindi tayo mapapasok. Kasi protected siya ng black na to, itong mga bristles na yan. It makes my hair shinier and it looks healthy. I was able to style my hair using IONIC STYLER PRO. Yan, so I got the waves and this kind of end that I want. So ayan, so I made this hairstyle using IONIC STYLER PRO and I'm very satisfied with the result kasi I just want this simple and natural looking hair. And I got it using IONIC STYLER PRO. That's all for today. Bye!